So this is a very easy way to get rid of those forehead wrinkles. To remove laugh lines, expression lines, this treatment will help you greatly. You have to get a mixing bowl. Our first ingredient is oat powder. Oat powder is very exfoliating, will help to get rid of dead skin cells, nourish and protect your skin. This will help to tighten. It contains tightening effect that will help to firm a loose skin. So this is a very easy way to treat those signs of aging. Protect your skin from aging signs. So I'll be adding 2 tablespoons, and this is perfect. So our next ingredient is coffee. Coffee contains powerful antioxidant that is very tightening, helps to get rid of wrinkles, fine lines. If you apply it with consistent use, you won't have wrinkles, fine lines, and the rest. So this is perfect if you have a bloating, okay? If you have bloating or puffy eyes or puffy face, your skin is swollen, this will help to debloat it. So I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of my coffee ground. Make use of any brand of coffee, okay? They all works the same. So the next one we have here is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera will help to moisturize your skin, treat sunburn, get rid of dry skin, will help to treat irritated skin. This is a cosmetic type of aloe vera gel, okay? And you can make use of the fresh plant one, like the natural plants. This is what I use, and it's perfect for skin. So I'm going to be squeezing in 2 tablespoons of my aloe vera gel into the powder, into the treatment. So we need an oil in this treatment. Almond oil will help to moisturize your skin. It contains vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that your skin needs to nourish and protect your skin. This will help to make sure your skin is out of wrinkles. If you add it into this treatment, it's going to do a perfect job at treating your skin, making sure your skin is smooth, fighting free radical damage that makes your skin age faster. If you do not have almond oil, go for vitamin E oil. Half tablespoon of almond oil. If yours is in a thick paste, all you have to do is to add a little water. Just add a little water or add more aloe vera gel. Okay, but this is just perfect. So perfect. So after mixing it, you have to allow it for some time before applying it, so that the coffee ground will dissolve and mix properly with the rest of the ingredients. So this treatment will help to get rid of those fine lines, forehead wrinkles, neck wrinkles, and many others. So just ensure you wash your face to remove all makeups. As you can see, my skin is well clean. So use water or gentle cleanser to wash it off before applying this treatment. So as you can see it, look at it. Coffee is amazing. Like this will help to debloat your skin in case you have puffy face or swollen face. If you have puffy eyes, this will help greatly because of the coffee in it. So just mix once again like this. Mix it like this. Then you apply it on a well clean skin. So you can use your hand to do it. As you apply it, you have to be scrubbing it. It's more better, okay? So if you have a dry skin, do not worry. The almond oil in it will just keep your skin well moisturized, well hydrated without drying out. So just massage it like this. Apply on your neck if you want to, so that everywhere will be even. Okay, so this is so very nice. So 5 signs of aging, to remove those fine lines, laugh lines, expression lines, and the rest. So after massaging it very well for about 2 to 3 minutes, then you have to allow it to sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you wash it off. So this will help to make sure your skin is ageless. Like, you just be looking younger and younger all the time. Your skin will be glowing. Like, this is just perfect for everyone, for all skin type. So you can store the remain in the fridge maximum of 5 days. After 5 days, you wash it off. So I'm going to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off. I'll be right back. So this is just perfect for everyone. Remove those fine lines, remove those laugh lines, remove those neck wrinkles, remove those wrinkles generally with this paste. Pamax is amazing. Like, your skin is just going to be looking more youthful. Not dried out, but well moisturized. So continue with this treatment 2 times weekly for best results. If you want to debloat or get rid of puffy eyes, puffy face, you have to start with 3 times weekly, okay? And it's going to help greatly to get rid of those puffiness, to remove inflammation. So with consistent use, you will notice a lot of improvements on your skin. So store the remain in the refrigerator maximum of 5 days, and after that you trash it out, make a fresh one. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.